In this video, we will learn about dynamic splitting in Power Query. For this, I have prepared a very small example. So we are only interested in these two columns. One is the city column and the other one is the product. And here you can see we have different cities, like these are the warehouses, and then we have these products like mouse, keyboard, speaker, USB. So here you can see the maximum comma separated products are 4. So I have imported this data into the Power BI. So let's open, and let's go to the transform data. It's a Power Query editor. So here you can see we have city and products, and we don't need sales column, so we can remove it, and the same we can select both columns and remove. So we have these two columns, city and products. So there is one option here. For example, we can right click, and then there is a split column by delimiter. This one, if you select, and here you can see, okay, just a minute, we need we need to copy sheet 1, Control C, Control V, and we can rename it to sheet 2, so that we can later on we can work on this sheet as well. Okay, so in the sheet 1, right click and split column. So here you can see because we have a comma separated products, so select comma here, and here you can select each occurrence of delimiter. Then we have to click advanced options, and we have to split into columns. We just need to click OK. So here you can see we have product 1, 2, and 3, 4, right? So we have to click city and unpivot other columns. So we don't need this column, product 1. We just need to remove attribute column. So here you can see we have cities and values. So here you can click and sort ascending order. Okay, so here you can see the different warehouses, Islamabad, Karachi, and different others. So let's go to the Islamabad, and we can open this sheet here. So if you look here, for example, Islamabad, we have 2 products, and here we also have 2, and okay, fine. So we can just change some values here. We need to add some values, so we can add like product 1, 2, and 3. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So maximum products for the Islamabad is 5. So we can save it. Let's go to the Power Query editor. So if I refresh all, so here you can see we are getting for the Islamabad, we are getting 1 and 2 and some other products, but this 3 is missing. Why 3 is missing? If we just go to Power Query editor and split by column, this option, and if you click advanced option, and here you can see the number of columns to split into, these are 4, and we have maximum values are 5. So if we, because this is a static value, and if we change this thing into 5 and click OK, So sorted rows, the last option. And so here you can see these are three values. So for example, if we have a data that is continuously changing and we don't know that how many comma separated values we will get in the future, then this approach will not work because every time we need to change this thing manually. So how to fix this issue? How can achieve this thing dynamically? So for this we need to go to the sheet 2. So the last column is order columns, and we need to go to the advanced editor, add one more step, comma, and we need like the name of the step will be split table is equal to it will be table dot transform columns, this one, and it takes two parameters. The first one is the table and the other one is the list. So the first column will be a reorder column, this one, and then the second is the transform operations. So here we have to use one function here, that is splitter dot split text by delimiter, this one, and it takes one parameter. So what is the delimiter here is double quotes and comma, this one. So and then we have to use here split table, the step that we have used here, the name of the step we need to use in the output. So we just need to click done. So here we are getting one error. We cannot convert a value of type function to type list. So we need to provide here, because this is the table, and here we have to provide the column name. The column name was products and comma. So now it is fine. Now click OK. So here you can see we are getting one list. So now we need to, so we got a list. So every value is list now, right? So we just need to click here and then expand to new rows. So here you can see, and we need to order in ascending order. So here you can see we are getting Islamabad and all this thing, and let's write some more values here, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And save it. Go to the Power Query editor, and now we don't need to do anything. We just need to refresh it. Refresh like a preview. So here you can see we are getting 1, 2, 3, 7 till 8 and all the other products available. So if your data is continuously changing, and this approach will be perfect, and you don't need to change comma separated stuff manually. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.